Have you ever wondered how a refrigeration system works? It's actually quite simple. Today, we're here to explain and help you understand the basic principles behind refrigeration. Refrigeration is the process of removing heat from one area and releasing it in another. The refrigeration process works by cycling refrigerant through a closed-loop system, absorbing and expelling heat, all while maintaining consistent cooling throughout the space. There are four main components that play a pivotal role in every refrigeration system: the evaporator, the compressor, the condenser, and a metering device. Let's examine the role each component plays in making the refrigeration system work. Your thermostat triggers the system to turn on. The evaporator provides cooling by absorbing heat. The cooling process starts with the low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant, which enters the evaporator. As the warm air passes over the evaporator coils, the cold refrigerant absorbs heat, converting to gas form, which flows to the compressor, and the cycle starts. The compressor's job is to take low pressure, low temperature refrigerant gas from the evaporator and compress it into a high pressure, high temperature gas. Now that the refrigerant is a hot, high pressure gas, it moves into the condenser. The condenser rejects the heat collected indoors, and through the compression process, the gas condenses into a medium temperature, high pressure liquid. The fan inside the condensing unit helps with this process. Think of the condenser as the unit's heat release system. The medium temperature, high pressure liquid refrigerant then heads to the metering device. In this case, a thermal expansion valve is used. The metering device has an important job. It reduces the refrigerant's pressure. A pin inside the valve adjusts the flow rate of refrigerant depending on the temperature at the evaporator end, using a sensing bulb. This pressure drop causes the low pressure liquid refrigerant to cool down significantly, flowing into the evaporator, restarting the refrigeration cycle. By mastering the fundamental principles of refrigeration, we've designed our systems to deliver optimal performance, ensuring your wine is stored in the perfect conditions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you're ready to learn more about industry-leading wine cellar cooling systems, head over to WhisperKOOL.com.